Today you will learn how to fade an image in Word in a very easy way. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel.
Open Microsoft Word and insert your image by clicking Insert, then Pictures, and choose your image. Now click on the image once. Go to Picture Format on the top menu. Then go to Wrap Text and choose In Front of Text or Behind Text. These two are the best options to see the fade image effect. Now, to fade the image, click Transparency and choose any light transparency level. If you want more control, click Picture Transparency Options and slowly increase the transparency slider until the image looks soft and faded. You can also increase or decrease soft edges to make the fade effect more smooth and professional. That's it. Your image is now beautifully faded in Word. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching.